What's going on, everyone? Another day. AMC market opens and we're up still $50 plus. We're at 54.90 right now when I'm recording this, and we did actually reach upwards closer towards the 56 plus price points, and now we're just hovering around here. Now, this week is going to be very interesting because one, there's a lot of new updates over the weekend that I'm sure if you guys haven't seen already, definitely you want to go and check out. So one of those is naked shorts, which I did an entire video, the most recent video. Definitely, if you don't want to go through and research yourself, definitely just go check that one out. The most recent one I posted before this one, and you'll see all that information. But here right now, 1 minute chart, we're hovering around here, and not much I can say to AMC, at least right now. We haven't even hit noon lunchtime yet. Volume though is up. Like if you go to actual Google, we can see one is the market cap. We're at $27 billion. Ridiculous, absolutely insane. And on Webull, I couldn't bring it up, but on my app it actually shows the volume. We're at 145 mil currently right now. So volume is significantly higher during these time frames than it was just the past few days ago of last week, because it's up almost 50 plus mil when it was normally 100 plus. So just in general, the volume, it seems like people are starting to look more into AMC. Another thing is too, we do get some media attention. Seems like it's a positive one this time. Surprisingly, from last week we saw some negative articles, but I always like to gauge the demand behind basically the media titles, because if you can tell, CNBC, huge reach out there. If they're talking about it, guess what? A lot of people are going to be looking into it. And basically, you can see, talk about jump 20 plus percent and rallying again, all that stuff. But here's what's interesting is some Reddit posts. So this is just AMC stock. And obviously, there's a bunch of other groups we can check out. But first off, one is this guy posts his tweet. And again, I posted in my other video, went in to find naked shorts and all that stuff. Showed like the CNBC clip. And basically, what he's saying is he heard them mention naked shorts, or at least one of the hosts, like I guess they slipped on accident and pretty much said it. And based off my research and his, apparently it's illegal. Yet she said it as if like they're doing it normal, and that's like a thing almost. So it's like here he's questioning like, why? How can this even make sense, right? Can you explain? And he's saying here, can you explain naked shorting basically to the normal person and understand how, or even if companies are even doing it and how they're doing it if it's supposedly illegal? Because that's one thing I'm curious too, because from my understanding, if it's illegal, one, how are they doing it? Two, that is going to change the way you look at AMC, because right now this data, from my knowledge, apparently the squeeze, the shorts haven't covered yet. Again, if they have any updated data, feel free to comment it down below. But to my knowledge, I haven't really seen any updates on that. So if that's the case, again, guys, this is sheer just community buying in, expecting AMC to continue to run up. Now, again, this is my own opinion. This is not financial advice. Be sure to use this video only for entertainment purposes only. But basically, from my understanding, the shorts haven't covered yet. And pretty much, if they start covering, and the strategy behind the whole squeeze, where majority of shareholders, which from my understanding 80 plus percent, I say give or take, apparently retail own AMC, not hedge funds. So if that's the case, if everyone's just hodling, or I'd say a big majority of them are, and they don't sell, and then the shorts have to cover, then mathematically that would mean the price would increase. Now, at what price is it going to reach? We don't know. We don't know where the top is, right? We did recently see 70 plus. Not this one right here, but on the, if I switch like the 1 hour chart, we can see like the historical price points, right? Like back here. But today, we're still up 50, almost $55, significantly higher, 27 billion market cap, and apparently nothing major really has happened yet. Now check out this one post. This person put 2 hours ago. That's actually pretty interesting. And basically, this is the photo that they put. And they said they received essentially an email, looks like, telling them the risk of holding AMC apparently. And they say here they're concerned that there's a risk of the stock underperforming going forward and experiencing Outsized volatility. We prefer that our clients invest in profitable companies who have consistently grown their revenues and earnings over time. AMC does not exhibit any of these characteristics. We recommend significantly reducing your exposure daily to zero. We understand that you would be recognizing significant short-term gains. However, we're concerned with your current exposure to a stock than a large tax burden. So again, this is blocked out. I don't know if this is fake, if this is legit. Definitely comment below if you have something similar you experience and can confirm, or if this is Photoshop. We don't know. But from these comments, let's go ahead and let's just click on the comments just to see what other people are thinking. And then we can see here, I call BS. And then here, let's see. Yeah, so again, I'm telling you guys, this is one thing to keep in mind. That basically, it looks like it's fake. So be careful too what you see on Reddits. A lot of people saying, yeah, based off just reading that, I think that's not even legal. So again, be careful when you do see stuff. But if that is true, feel free to comment below and let us know, because if that is true, that's insane. That would be absolutely insane. But based off my just reading it, it doesn't make sense that a company would tell you literally to sell or buy something or literally get rid of it. That, like, from what I read. So again, this could easily be photoshopped. We don't know. But basically, since it's blocked out, the naming, I'm assuming this guy made it up. But either way, feel free to comment below, because again, we don't know what's real and what's not on here. But if we can get better, accurate information, that makes more sense, because I don't want people to see like fake stuff and then they believe it. Next thing you know, it confuses everybody. So definitely fact check that and let me know if you find anything. But again, that's something to look into. But here's what's interesting. This looks like actually accurate, and AMC top trending on Reddit's last 24 hours apparently. So AMC, GME second, then we got BB, Workhorse, etc. So currently, right now when I'm recording, AMC's up. So definitely, demand-wise, guess what? AMC's going to have a lot of volume. So currently, right now, $56.29. So for the most part, before lunchtime, it seems like we are trading sideways, bouncing up and down between pretty much this 53, 57 plus range. And right now, at least, we have to, see an increase in buyers. Here we did have it, but it's Monday. Not much really news-wise is going on with AMC. So this week, we definitely will have to just wait. I know some contracts for options are expiring soon, but also next week too, there's a lot of interest in options that could potentially make people get into AMC to get their options to get hit. But until then, we really just have to wait. Next levels, I'd say first off, I want to see us break again is I'll switch it to the 1 hour just because it's easier to see. But basically, I want us to break 75 first, because we weren't able to break out of it. We tested it 72, 68, but right now we don't have enough buyers, so we have to break 75 first. Then after that, I'd say 100, etc., and so on. So until then, we'll have to wait, but do let me know your thoughts, your price predictions in the comments below, and subscribe and like the video for AMC, and I'll see you in the next video.